Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. Today we are with you to show how to open an account with the broker CA Markets. You can find this broker from the list of brokers on the TradingFinder website, and after clicking on the Go to Website option, you will enter the official website of this broker. On the home page, you can start the account opening process by clicking on the Open Account option. On this page, you need to select your account type, and we will use the individual account. In the next step, you need to complete the required information in this form. This information includes your first name, last name, date of birth, mobile phone number, email, country, state, and address. You also need to set a password for your account, which must include at least lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information in this list, as well as entering the city, postal code, and password, you agree to the website's terms and conditions, and also confirm that you are not a citizen of the USA, Iran, North Korea, or Australia. Now click on the Continue option. As you can see, a code has been sent to you to verify your email, which you need to enter in this section. Log into your email. As you can see, you have received an email from the broker CA Market. Open this email. The 5-digit code is displayed to you in this section. Enter the received code in this section and click on Continue. Well, as you can see, your registration was successful. Now you need to sign into your account. After entering your email and password, click on Login and access your account. Well, as you can see, your registration with this broker was successful. In the upcoming videos, we will guide you through the verification process. Good luck.